Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my BOXYCHARM unboxing, and you can tell the box is already opened. My 7-month-old son is down here and he was trying to get my tripod, so I had to quickly put everything back in the box and start shooting again, so sorry about that. And unfortunately, you guys, I just got my box today, and I think I'm like the last person on earth to receive their box, so I wanted it to be a secret, but no matter what I did, my eyes were closed. No matter where I'd go, I would still end up finding a photo on Instagram of somebody showing what they got, or stuff on Snapchat of people showing what they got. So there was no way. It was inevitable for me to find out basically what was in this box. So that is okay because I am happy with what is in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a try-on video for you guys today. That is why I have no eye makeup on. So let's open the box up here. The theme was vacation, which kind of matches my shirt. So now the first thing that was in the box for you guys is this Pretty Vulgar blush. So I got the color Make Them Blush Hush Blush number 18, which I really like. This is a very pretty color. I know some people were getting like a super, sorry, more makeup on my hand, a super bright pink. I am so glad that I got this shade and not the bright pink. I used to work at Sephora and we would get like gratis bags. And sometimes I would get like super bright pink blushes, and I never used them, you guys, no matter how lightly of a hand you have. I just feel like they're always so bright, I just can't. So I am so glad I got this shade. Thank goodness. The next thing would be these eyeshadow brushes, which I am super excited about. These are from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I've never heard of this company, but I am super excited about these brushes. I did open them up and they are super soft. So I'm very excited to try these out today. And then you guys, this is the Butter London brand, which I love their lip stuff. So this is amazing. This is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And I am super excited to try this, you guys. I will do this today with my look. That is my 7-month-old son down there making that noise. Very sorry about that. Okay, so next thing, you guys, is this South Main Under Eye Gels. If you guys watch the show Life in Pieces, Angelique Cabral, I follow her on Snapchat. She's on that show. She's awesome. I don't know her, but like, I think she's awesome, you know. She always uses these, you guys. Like when she goes to work, she'll do like snaps or whatever of herself, like pumping and talking about life and whatever. And she always has like these gels under her eyes. And I always wondered, where does she get these? These look amazing. I have to try them. Well, here they are. Like, I don't know if this is the brand she uses, but I am so happy that I finally have my hands on these. I cannot wait to try these out. Oh my gosh. So excited. And then the last thing is the eyeshadow, you guys. So this is the BOXYCHARM and Pure, like a collaboration that they did. And here are the colors. Oh, and I tried playing around with this a little bit, like 10 minutes ago, basically, just to kind of see the colors. I love them. Hold on just a second. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So this is the BOXYCHARM and Pure Cosmetics palette, which I am super excited about. It's so cute. The colors are awesome. Super pigmented. You can see kind of from swatches I did earlier. Here's some lipstick. Kind of a mess. Let's do this pink shade right here. They are just so pretty, you guys. I don't know how pigmented all the colors are, but very pretty palette. So I want to go ahead and get right into this palette, you guys. At first I was kind of thinking I would go with blues, but as I was playing with it, I even got some of the blue shade, or the blue shade wet a couple times. And I just feel like, I think I'm going to do pinks. Like, I just love pink, obviously. So I think I'm going to do a tutorial with pink. Maybe I'll do a little blue on the bottom or something. We'll see. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. Okay, so I have you guys a little bit closer here, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I think the first color that I am going to start out with is going to be this shade right here, Belle, this third shade over. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this fluffy brush. This would be the number 2 brush, I believe, yes, for the shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade, and I'm gonna start by going right here on the crease. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like super pigmented. I mean, I didn't realize it would be this pigmented, and I really like it. So this is nice. Wow, I like this a lot. I'm just kind of going in the crease and then above the crease a little bit. Holy moly. Yeah, that's nice and pigmented. I really like that. Very pretty. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay, so I have a little bit of that on. The next one I'm going to go ahead and use, you guys, is the shade down here. This is in the shade Bay. So I'm actually going to start by tapping this shade. And actually, you know what? Let me go in with the number, was this the number 1 brush? Yeah, the number 1 brush. I'm going to go in and tap that shade on the bottom outside. I'm sorry, the bottom inside of my eyelid. Very pretty. I really can't distinguish a huge difference between that one and the top one yet, so I'm just going to keep building my color up. I'm staying below the crease there. And I'm only going about halfway. You guys see that? Just building it up until I get to the color that I want. You can hear my son over there making some noise. Okay, I think I'll stop right there. So then you guys, I'm gonna go in with this same brush and I'm gonna go in with that darker shade, which is BFF, that darker pink. It's almost like a Merlot-y color even. I'm gonna go on the outside now. Just kind of tap it. And again, I'm gonna stay underneath of my actual crease. Really? You can see there's some fallout happening underneath, which is fine. I feel like this lighting is so bad, you guys. Is that better? Get to the color that I want with this. I think I'm pretty close there. So now you guys, I'm just gonna get some of that additional darker color off. And then I wanna go back in with the lighter one again, which again is the Bay. And I'm just gonna kind of tap over that because I wanna kind of blend it there, right in the middle where the two colors meet. You guys see that, how it's kind of blended midway? Then you guys, I'm gonna go back in with my bigger brush again. This would be the number 2 brush, I believe. And I'm gonna grab, I think I'm gonna go in with this orange color, the second color in, which is Nakey. And I'm just gonna kind of go over this top area again. I'm just kind of going down a little bit lower too so I can try to blend some of that up. And then I think what I wanna do, you guys, I'm gonna pat that off a little bit. I wanna go in with this lightest shade and maybe some of this glittery shade here. And I'm gonna go right under my brow bone. I'm sorry, right on my brow bone. Kind of blend that top shade in there. What do you guys think? So now there is so much fallout underneath there, that's crazy. I think I wanna do blue on the bottom. Might as well just try out the blue and do that on the bottom. So let me, I cannot believe how much fallout happened there. It's hailing outside right now, you guys. It's March. Like, hailing in March? That's nuts. Okay. So let me grab, this is the number 3 brush. I'm gonna grab some of that blue. And I'm just gonna line the bottom here. There's still a little bit of pink on there, which is completely fine with me. That's really pretty. Grab a little bit more. Yeah, that's super pretty. I like that a lot. Very pretty. I almost wonder if I should do a little bit up here, just like in that corner. Let me grab this number 1 brush again, you guys. I think I'm gonna grab some of that blue with this brush. There's still pink on it, which is fine. And I'm just gonna kind of smudge some in this corner V. I think that'll kind of make it look like a purpley, more of like a tropical like eyeshadow type thing. I think that'll be really pretty. A little bit more here. Milo? He is down here playing, which is fine, but 7 months old, you just can't have everything. Oh my gosh, I really like how that turned out, you guys. Look at that. It's almost like, oh, wow. That's really, really pretty. Let me go ahead and do the other side, you guys, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to get my eyeliner on, and then I will try out that blush, or I'm sorry, I'll try out the mascara. Okay, you guys, so I finished my other eye, and then I added just a little bit of an eyeliner, like a winged eyeliner there. You guys, I'm really liking this. It's kind of like a rainbow almost. I don't know. Obviously the colors don't go in the order of a rainbow, but like orange, pink, bluey, purple. Like it turned out really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and try this double-decker lashes here, you guys, which I'm super excited about. So let's grab my mirror. My 7-month-old son, you guys, is here to destroy. Normally my husband is watching him, but he is napping with my other son right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. Wow. I really, really like this mascara a lot. Like, hello. It is really nice. It might not be the best mascara I've ever used, but it's going on super good. It is not clumping whatsoever, which is awesome. Let's see if I can get it good on the bottom here. I have a ton of makeup in my eye. Yeah, I definitely like this, you guys. I think this is gonna be my new go-to mascara for a while. I love mascara so much, you guys, because I like to switch them up all the time. Like, I don't like to stick to just one mascara. And right now I'm really into the Bobbi Brown mascara, which I love, love, love. But I think I like this one more. Like I said, it might not be my favorite. The They're Real mascara is pretty amazing. I don't know if I've ever found anything that I like quite as much as that one, but I like this. So there you have it. What do you guys think? What do you think of this eyeshadow look? I'm definitely going to have to play around with this a little bit more because I love all of the colors so much. I want to try doing like a all blue eyeshadow maybe, or like a blue halo eye with that silvery color in the middle. That would be super, super cute. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I would love to have you guys as part of the family, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.